God, this is your boy, Angry Bird! Ano kayo dyan? Tingnan mo yan dyan. Ang gag.
One, two, three, rolling.
Ano nga yan? Ano kayo dyan? This is your boy, Angry Bird! Gab!
Lester the third.
At ako nga pala si Dan Wilson sa Batter.
Woo!
At yun, gagawin namin yung
Touch Boy
Body Challenge! At may special guest kami ito dahil tatlo lang kami. Yata namin si Dom! Ito ka Dom! At ayun, dito na si Dom at si Dom naman ang magkapaliwanag ng mechanics ng game.
Ano nga ba ang gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin, meron isang tao, di ba, yun nga si Dom, tapos ipapahawak niya yung body parts niya, pero nakapiring kami at alamin namin kung ano ba yung body part niya. Tsaka kung sino yung matalo sa amin, siya yung una magpapaliwanag doon sa topics na napili namin.
So ayun, let's start guys.
I bought that pillow on the couch cause it reminded me of the colors on your wall. I thought you'd like it. I don't want this to be my last time.
Ang una nating ipapahawak ay ang... Ala, ano yan? Kadiri!
Tapos na! Wala kami gagi ah.
Ano?
Mamaya.
Wait lang.
Kinabahan ako bigla.
Gagi, kadiri
Saglit,
yan
bigyan mo
yun.
na ano, isa pa.
Soft lang.
Gagi.
Tapos na. At ang ulit. Kadiri.
Ano yan?
Leg. Restore.
Tuhod.
Jab. Itlog. Second.
Pakita yung body part. Tutong ka niya ng kilo.
Yan, kadiri rin. Dila. Ala.
Hindi ka kanina numutan, hindi.
Okay, alam ko na.
Ilong sa akin, ilong. Ang tawag?
Anong tawag ba dito? Tenga. Yung pinakababa ng tenga. Lower,
Lower
lower ear.
ear.
Oo.
Ay, ano, ilong.
Tenga din, yung dito.
Ilong.
Ikaw?
Ilong.
Ganun ba?
Ilong ba yun?
Tambulin natin ipapahula. Huwag kayo malikot Oo nga.
Hala,
Ako magkocontrol ng kamay niyo.
Hala, nasa ilalim mo na to. Ano to? Tama na.
Next.
Saglit, di ko maano.
Ako magkocontrol ako.
Oh!
Kakalisin
codes!
Alam mo.
Dan? Yung ito. Restore.
Ito?
Jump.
Ito.
Yo! Ang huli kong pinahawak na part ay
Oh. My God, 2 points kami.
Dan
1 point
2
ka.
points, Restore 2 points, 1 point.
So,
At dahil doon, siya ang unang papaliwanag ng code. Dahil meron dalawang naka 2 points, meron tayong tiebreaker at malupit ang aking ipapahawak.
okay. Piring ulit, piring. Piring.
Kapag na tiebreaker, papahawak ko ay...
Ano yun?
Wala
Ala!
ka baka niya yung kamay, oh.
Ala! Ano yun? Tinadiri!
Saglit, wag mong...
Okay na?
Hindi pa.
Last.
Yun na.
Last.
Ang hula ko ay talampakan.
Okay.
Ikaw.
Yung dito ng tuhod.
Ha?
Yung sa tuhod.
Go. Ano nga? Ito.
Yan.
So, ang tama si Nestor, tuhod yun. So, ang sunod na magpapaliwanag ng codes ay si Dan. Dahil siya ay talo at nanalo si Nestor. So, ako sunod, o mauna ako din si Dan, at nasunod si Nestor. See you sa tutorial. Hi guys, welcome to our tutorial. First, Java is a popular programming language owned by Oracle, created in 1995. It is the most popular programming language in the world. Facebook, Amazon, and eBay are created through Java. Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. Conditional. An if statement tells the program that it must carry out a specific piece of code. If a conditional test evaluates to true, the if-else-if ladder statement executes one condition from multiple statements. If an else statement is present, another section of code will be executes if the condition test evaluates to false.
Hi guys, I will show you how conditional statements work in Java. So first, open your Java IDE. But for me, I will use NetBeans instead. Then create new project at the top corner left. Then select Java, then Java application. Then click next. As you can see, you can change the project name and project location. I'll change the project name into conditional. Then after that, click finish. Then as you can see, it has a lot of comment. Delete it all. I will delete it. Then below, public static void main, type there int equals 18, then semicolon. Then below of it, type b equals 20, and then semicolon. Then after that, write if open close inside of it, write there a less than b, then curly braces. Then below of it, write system out.println, then quotation, okay, and also put open close parenthesis, then semicolon. Then save it. Then click play to run it. Then that's the output. Okay, let's try other things in this code. Let's change less than into greater than sign. So you can see, then I'll run it, then it's not, then the output is not complete. I'll bring it back to less than, and then less than sign. I bring it to greater than sign, then I put else curly braces, then below of it system out.println, open close parenthesis, then instead of it quotation, not okay, then then so you can see I put not okay, and I save it, and then I run it, then it says not okay. Then I change int a into 20. Then when the if is a greater than b, then below of it I put else if a equals b, and curly braces. Below of it, system dot out dot print ln, then open close, then quotation side of it I put equal, then semicolon. So you can see int a is 20, int b is 20 also. Then the first is okay. Then else if is a equals b, then the system print out is equal. It's for else if. Then for else, that print it says not okay. And I save it and I run it. It says equal. So here in conditional statements, it says my integer, my variable is equal to it. So that's all. Thank you.
So for the next topic, it's all about method. A method is a set of code which is referred to by name and can be called at any point in program simply by utilizing the method's name. Think of a method as a subprogram that acts on data and often returns to a value. Each method has its own name.
So guys, welcome again to our tutorial. And here in our next tutorial, I will show you how to create and use method in Java. So open your NetBeans and then first create a new project and then select Java application. It is up to you to change a project name and choose its location. So I will choose transfer for project name. Transfer. And click finish. So as you can see, the blue text are not necessary. These are just comments, so you can delete or erase these texts from this corner or from the top and from here and here and lastly here. So I will create a new method that we will connect to the main method. Like in our main method, we will use public static void but without main because this is not our main method. So I will go with the method name first method. And then I will give you an example of system the print ln hello hello universe, and this is our first method that we will connect to the main method here. So what will happen if we do not call the first method in our main method? So let's try this. Like this. Nothing happened. So let we try to call the first method in our main method. Just write in main method the first method. First method. Then let's try to run this. And then tada! Hello universe. We successfully connect the first method in our main method.
Okay, let's move on to our next topic. Array. Java array is an object which contains elements of a similar data type. It is a data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of elements in a Java array. Array in Java is index-based. The first elements of array is stored at the 0 index.
I bought that pillow.